The dig at the far west of Cueva Llanío was finally pushed through to Fridge Door Cave on April 5, 2023. Peter Egan was the only one to get through that day.
You had a quite narrow place just before breastfeed crawl.
The following day, a full team crawled and squeezed through, including Jim Lister, who had been one of the divers groping their way through the murky sumps of Fridge Door Cave.
Oh, lovely. I'm so grateful you've all dug it out so we don't have to dive through sump 1 and 2 again. Oh, what an incredible team.
Here we're in the first chamber after about 4 or 5 meters of digging, but now we're on a very big pile that has come out from the next dig. About 15 meters of digging, something like that.
As well as approaching the surface, the divers eventually ended up at a sandy dig, which they surveyed as stations 81 and 82.
Wow, I can't, the amount you've dug out is incredible.
Okay, here we are on the Fridge Door side.
This was where the Llanío team were headed, with further excavation.
Nearly vertical climb up.
Dave Bell was one of the team that emerged into Fridge Door Cave.
How's that?
Still too small.